is one of the things I use for behavior management. One of my scripts. I love scripts. I use a lot of scripts over and over. I pick 2 or 3 word scripts that I use over and over. You know what kids hear? They hear the first line that comes out of your mouth. The first line that comes out of your mouth. So my script has to be, this is a reasonable request. Why do we have to do this? This is a reasonable request. And after a while, the kids hate hearing those words because they go, oh, here she comes. It's a reasonable request. That means no more negotiation. If I'm going to give you a 25-minute lecture about why this is what we're doing in class, you have heard the first 3 words that came out of my mouth, and the rest of it is won't, and you're done. You're turned off. Short and sweet. We tend to talk too much. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.